Hey guys, I'm AJ.
I'm Shanique.
I'm Tazi.
So in 2018, we quit our jobs to travel the world and live a freedom lifestyle.
We wanted to share our journey with you.
So welcome to the family.
Hello, it's Shanique here, and today I wanted to share with you my brain dump. Now, this brain dump has been selling on Etsy for a few months now, and it literally sells several times every single day without fail, which I believe means that it's been quite helpful. I mean, I'm going to insert some of the reviews that I've had from this brain dump so far. So I've been so glad to know that it's been helping so many people to organize their tasks and their lives. And so I decided to kind of take it a little bit further and share it with my YouTube family. So let's dive into exactly what it can do. So here you have your dashboard. Think of this as your epicenter to organizing your life. This is where the magic happens. So over here on the left-hand side, you can see a percentage that is showing you how far along you are with your current task. So as you can see here, we have 2 tasks in total. One is currently in progress, one is complete. And of course, that means that our list is 50% done. It says that we have 1 task that's overdue right now, and we've got another notification here showing us that we don't have any tasks that are due for today. And you can organize your tasks into different categories as well, and you can organize them according to urgency. And then over here, we can see what's due within the next week too. So let's start here with the categories. So I came up with 8 categories that I think most people would use, but you can absolutely change those categories here in the formula. Normally this will be hidden, so I'm going to hide it because when you receive it, you won't see this. So it will be hidden, and if you want to change these categories, then you right click on the dashboard and click unhide, and it will tell you that the formula tab is hidden. It will bring that up, and just over here, change any of these names to whatever category you want, and then that will be reflected on the dashboard. Okay, so we can see how many tasks are outstanding in each of the categories too. Okay, and so of course you can switch spreadsheets here at the bottom. Let's just hide this again. Yeah. You can switch tabs at the bottom, switch pages at the bottom, but you also have this kind of handy little ability to do that here too. And so this is your actual brain dump. This is where you're going to write all of the things that you currently need to do. So let's think of something just quickly. Let's say, for example, I need to upload 2 new Etsy listings. Let's come up with a few different ones to do. What else? It's my husband's birthday soon. Let's say I need to buy hubby a birthday present. And what else? Let's say as well that I need to create a new YouTube video. Okay, and then we're going to just give these some categories. So Etsy falls under business. Buying my husband a birthday present, we'll put that as personal. And creating a YouTube video, we'll put that as fun. It's a bit of a hobby at the moment. Okay, and let's add some due dates too. So let's say this was due for tomorrow, 12th of April, and you only need to put the first 3 letters of the month, and then if you just hit enter, it will automatically fill out the rest. My husband's birthday is not till May, so it's not so urgent. So let's say I can do that at the end of the week. Let's say the 18th And creating YouTube video, let's say that's a little bit more urgent and needs to be done within the next couple of days. And then we'll set some priorities. So we'll say the Etsy listings are high priority, and then these are in bold in different colors, just to give you a sense of urgency as well. It's not so important. My husband's birthday is until May, so we got a bit more time. And then creating the YouTube video, let's say that's a little bit more urgent. And then we'll just add some statuses and say where we're at with these things. So let's say I haven't started the Etsy listings. Getting hubby's birthday present is in progress. And let's say I've done the YouTube video. All right. So yeah, as you can see, that's it. And over here, on the right hand side, you have your priorities, and these are filters. So if you wanted to only see the high priority list, then you could do that by clicking on high priority. If you wanted to only see the urgent list, you could do that. And if you right click down, click clear filter, then you'll see everything again. One note just to say as well, you can only list 23, up to 23 items. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't an endless list, because otherwise you could get completely overwhelmed and not get anything done at all. And we want to make sure that we're being proactive. So you want to have a number that is somewhat achievable. So there's not too many. So the most amount of items that you can have with this brain dump is 23. You also have another ability to filter here on the left hand side as well. So if you wanted to only see the task that you haven't started, you could click that. If you only wanted to see the in progress, you could do that. If you wanted to see in progress and not started, so all the ones that are basically outstanding, if you click control and hold and click, we've got in progress highlighted already, and then we also wanted to see not started, left click on not started. Let me get that right. Or is it shift? Shift. Let's get that right. It's the shift button. Shift button, click not started and in progress, and it will show you both of them. Okay. Yeah. And then, so if you wanted to only see done, we could do that too. And then when you want to clear the filter, right click and it will clear everything. Okay. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, to be honest. The only other page I also put in is the notes and meetings page. And it's pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't really have any formulas or anything. But you can just add some random notes. Remember to pick up hubby's present, for example, and then if you had any upcoming meeting dates. It's literally just a brain dump. It's just get things off your mind really, really quickly. So let's go back to the dashboard now and see what we've got. I wanted to make sure that we had a task for today that was outstanding as well. So today is the 11th. Let's just add one more in there. Blah, blah, blah. Let's say clear overdraft. I don't know, I'm just making things up. And that is money related. And that is urgent. That needs to be done today. And I have not done that. That is in progress. So let's go back to the dashboard. So now you can see we have one outstanding task that is due today. We have one that's overdue. This has changed to now we've got 3 due in the next 7 days. And you can see all the categories now are now a little bit more full. And our overall task list has changed slightly as well. So yeah, that's it. That's the whole tour of my brain dump. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to use this brain dump, then I will we'll put the link to my Etsy shop in the description, so you can access it straight away. And it is on Microsoft Excel, so you do need to have a Microsoft account in order to use this. And and I love Excel. It's literally one of my favorite things. I'm a little bit geeky about it, but yeah, I hope it's helpful, and I've tried to make it as easy to use as possible. So hopefully you've seen that it is, and enjoy it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.